Hello everyone, this is the second part of Boolean algebra. In the previous class, I am discussing about the Boolean's variable, Boolean's law, and there are 9 law in the previous class discussing about the property of zero, complementary law, idempotent law, innovation law. In this video, we discuss about the commutative law, distributive law, associative law, and absorption law. In this video, we discuss about this 4 topic: commutative, distributive, associative, and absorption. So let's start the video. So the fifth law of Boolean algebra is commutative. Here one is a commutative law. Here I am written the 2 law. These are the commutative law. This is the first law of commutative, and this is the second law of commutative. Let's prove this law. Here, if A plus B, in this part I am written firstly A, then B. After by equal to sign, firstly written B, then A. That means the position of variable is changed in this part. Let's check both are equal or not. So here we take 2 input, A and B. So firstly we have to find A plus B, then next part we have to find B plus A and check both are equal or not. So the input value is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. A plus B, that means 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 1. Next, B plus A, that means 0 plus 0. So 0. B plus A again 1 plus 0. So, sorry, output is 1. Then 0 plus 1, again 1. Then 1 plus 1, the output is 1. Here A plus B is equal to the B plus A because the output value of those two values are same. Both are same. So this is proved. These are proved. Let's check with the next law. This is the second part of commutative law. So here A into B is really equal to the B into A. Let's check them. A, B. A into B and B into A. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So A into B, that means 0 into 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is again 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Then find the next value B into A. B into A, that means 0 into 0. That is 0. 1 into 0. That is again 0. 0 into 1. That is 0. And 1 into 1 is 1. So the output of A into B and the output of B into A, both are same. So let's say that A into B is equal to B into A. This is also proved. This is the 2 laws of commutative law. Next we move to the next one. The 6th one is distributive law. What is the distributive law? Distributive law, that means we have to distribute this value with the B plus C. Distribute this value B plus C. Here A into B plus C. That means firstly we multiply A with B. So we have written A into B plus A multiply with C. So we have written A into C. This is the first of distributive law. In the second law, A plus B into C. A plus B into C. So we have firstly take a common, A with B. A plus B. Then A with C. That means A plus C. This is the 2 laws of distributive law. Next we move to the associative law. In associative also are 2 parts of law. First one is A plus B plus C. Here also A into B plus C. Here include a one bracket. What is the meaning of associative? Associative, that means combination of 2 variables. Here we take a combination of B plus C. In the part of equal to, we take the combination of A plus B. This is the combination of a plus b. In this part we enclosed with bracket b or c, but in this part we enclosed with the bracket a plus b and written c. Both are equal. This is the associative law. Both are equal. And the next one is here also b or c in bracket, but by the equal to sign we have to put a into b in one bracket, then we have to write next variable. Both are equal to. Both are equal to. This is the associative law. Next is absorption law. What is the absorption law? Absorption, that means consume anything. Consume anything or absorb anything. Absorb anything. Here a plus a into b. Let's find out the output. What is the output is here. So here both are a plus a into b. So we take a common a value. We take a common a value. So take a value. So if we take a value, what is here? It is nothing is here. So we have to return 1. Plus a also already we are taking common. So only b is left. So I am written b. So a into. What is the output? This is the property of 0 or 1. This is the property of 0 or 1. Let's see that what is the property of 0 and 1. Property of 0 and 1, that means we have to add any variable with 1. The output is 1. Here also 1 is added with any variable. 1 is added with the any variable. So the output of this value is 1 by the property of property of 0 and 1. Next, a into 1. A into 1. What is the output of a into 1? It is also a property of 0 into 1. Here a into 1. The output is a. So the value of this question is a. So the answer of this is a. Here is a. This is the first absorption law and this is the output. A plus ab equal to a. Next, let's we prove the next question. Here also a in bracket a plus b. So firstly multiply a by a and multiply a with b. So a by a, that means a into a plus a into b. Here a into a. This is the, here a into a is the idempotent law. Idempotent law, that means here this is the idempotent law. A into a is a. A into a is a plus ab. A plus ab. Let's we take a common a with both number. Here a is common, so we can take the common a. So here is 1 plus b. 1 plus b, that means here also 1 plus b is 1. So 1 into 1 is, by the property of 0 and 1, that output is a. So that means the output of this value is a. The output of this law is a. So the absorption law, a plus a into b is equal to a and a in bracket a plus b equal to a. So the next law of the Boolean algebra we discuss in the next video. If you are not seeing the previous 4 law, you can see my previous video. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.